Are you curious to know what's inside this cheap smartwatch that I just grabbed from Jumia? If yes, stay tuned. Intro. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Ivy, and today I'm back with another What's Inside video. In this video, I will be taking a look inside this smartwatch that I just grabbed from Jumia at a very affordable price. So if you want to grab yourself one, it will be linked down at the description where you can click and go and grab yourself also one. So as you see, it came with a very nice package. So I'm just unpeeling it from its package. And there we have its USB cable, the one you use for charging or transferring the data. Then the watch itself, it has a pretty nice burn, but the design that appealing to the eye. I hoped it would look like that of the iPhone, the iWatches, but no. So there's a power button, and there we have the camera and the microphone. There we have where the USB goes in, where you can charge it from. So let me try to open it up. As you see, mine doesn't have power, so I would like for you guys to see how it would start, but it has no power. So after this, I'll need to charge it. Let me remove this wrist that is in my way. There we can remove the battery. So the battery is a 500 milliamps, which means it will last a pretty good hours on use. So I think it's pretty hard right there to come out. Let me just knock it out. Yeah, so we have it out. And now, as you can see, there we have where the micro SIM goes in, then the memory card, then let me try. And that's it for this video, and let me charge this and catch you guys on the next one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does help me a lot. So peace out.